Welcome back to my channel. Have you also accidentally deleted your important data and now you want to recover it? Then you are in exactly the right place, because today I'm going to teach you how to recover lost data. So without wasting any time, let's get to the video. Welcome to my channel, Technichio. First of all, I will go to this PC, and now I will plug in my USB drive. Here you can see I have some recordings, and if I select all of these and permanently delete them, now I will recover them using a third-party software. For that, I will go to the browser and search for AOMEI Fast Recovery. In the search results, I will open the second website because the first one is for AOMEI Partition Manager. While we need the data recovery software, here you can see the features of this software. From here, I will download it, and when the download is complete, I will open and install it. After installation, I will launch it. This is the software's interface. Here you will find three sections: Quick Access, Internal Drives, and Removable Media. In the side menu under Data Recovery, you will get the options for Hard Drive Recovery and USB or SD Card Recovery. Under Advanced Recovery, you will find the options for Partition Lost Recovery and PC Crashed Recovery. In PC Crashed Recovery, you will get the options to create a bootable USB, burn to CD, or create an ISO file. Using these, you can use the pre-boot software. I will tell you more about that later. First, I will take you to the USB recovery section, and from here, I will scan my USB drive. So the software will scan my entire USB drive and bring all the new and old files in front of me. However, scanning takes quite a bit of time, and this time depends on the size of your drive. After the scanning is complete, the software will show all the found files, separated by category like images, audios, documents, videos, and other files. My USB had video files, so I will choose the video files. But you can see that in the MKV category, only one file was found, meaning the software couldn't find the rest of the files. This is because we launched the software from within Windows. If we had launched it in a pre-boot environment and then performed the recovery, all the data could have been recovered, which we will do later. But for now, we will still select the videos folder and try to recover them. However, before we can recover, we have to purchase the software because the software only allows free scanning. For actual recovery, we have to buy it. I already have a purchased version, so I will recover the videos. After recovering, if we check, you can see here that only one file that I deleted was recovered. Therefore, now I will show you how to recover data through the pre-boot method. For that, we will open the software and go to the PC Crashed Recovery section here. If I select the USB and click Create, I will get an error stating that this process will completely format my USB. But if I had pasted some other data on this same USB, my lost data would not be recoverable. To recover lost data, it is essential that no other data has been pasted over its location. So I will create an ISO file so that I can paste it onto another external hard drive and boot from it. After the ISO creation, I will plug in my second external hard drive and copy the ISO from the desktop and paste it into this drive. This is because I have Ventoy installed on this hard drive, so I can boot from the ISO. If your external drive is not bootable, you will first have to make it bootable using Rufus or Ventoy. Now I will restart my system and press the boot key during the boot logo, like F12 for most systems. Now from the boot menu, I will go to USB devices and select the external hard drive from here. This will open the Ventoy boot menu for me. From here I will select the recovery ISO and boot normally. This will open the pre-boot software for me. Here you will get all the partitions of the removable media. And if you go to USB recovery from the side menu, both external devices will be shown here. I will scan the USB from here, and it will now perform a complete scan of my USB device again. After the scan is complete, if I go into the videos folder, you will now find all the deleted files in the MKV category here. This is because in the pre-boot environment, the software performs a full, deep scan of the device. Now I will select the videos folder and recover it. After the recovering is complete, I will close the software and boot the system. If I check the recovered folder, I will find all my deleted files in the exact same condition. Therefore, with this software, you can recover all your lost data. But let me tell you again, for recovery it is essential that no other data is placed over the location of the deleted data afterwards. Otherwise, the lost data cannot be recovered. In the next video, I will tell you how you can transfer data from your system to a mobile or vice versa. and that too wirelessly without a data cable connection. So don't miss my next video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Technichio, and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss an update from our channel. Together, let's end tech tantrums. Thank you.